Good evening, YouTubers. I wanted to show you this. It's just going to be a quick video. ReactOS. ReactOS is essentially a free software re-implementation of Windows reverse engineering effort. You can take a look at the ReactOS website. I'd also suggest taking a look at Wikipedia for the history. I've installed Firefox from their repository. They actually have a repository of software that you can install things from, as you can see here. I also managed to get VLC installed, so we can have a look at VideoLAN. Oh, it's not showing there. I did actually get VLC installed, but it just doesn't seem to be showing up there. Let's have a look and see if I've got some history here. No. So I'll try and go to our downloads. Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. So I'm not having much luck finding the file manager. It should be Explorer or something like that. Again, I use Windows in a very limited sense. Yeah, we got these games here. We got Solitaire, by the way. So the typical one. I had a bit of a play with this before. It seemed to work fine. It was after I started trying to install Steam, in fact, that I managed to get a blue screen of death. I don't know at all if it was related to it. So here you can see we've got the spider Solitaire going on. Okay, fine. Seems to work. Let's just I do have network access. Just give that a chance. As I said, I had a blue screen of death before, and I don't know if it's really nerfed it. And we might have to try something else. Let's see if it's actually got really any network connectivity at all. I guess we could just use the command prompt, of which it does have a Windows style command prompt. Now let's have a look here. Ping. I'm guessing I've got no network connectivity, so maybe it started up in safe mode or something like that since I had a blue screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut it down. This is running in a virtual machine, as you would have seen before. I have made a slight modification, increased the video RAM to 64 megabytes or something, megabytes, I think it is. Anyway. Just give that a chance to boot. Here we go. We got VLC there. I should have seen that before. Let's just go to full screen mode again. Okay, not the most attractive wallpaper since it's not scaling well, so I assume it's probably a low-res wallpaper that's going on there. There we go. So I was fishing around for a video to play, but anyway, we'll just try and open Firefox again. Great, we do have network connectivity again. Let's try and get Steam running again. You can see the icon, or the little task comes up here. As I say, I'm actually looking for some free video to download. I was looking for that bunny one, Blender bunny video. Everyone does that one, don't they? Oh, we might even try and play it in YouTube, perhaps. That sounds like a great idea. I'm not expecting much from this. You can see that the window decoration for maximizing, minimizing, and closing this window is not there. Things don't seem to be going too well here with the things are starting to freeze up on me. Oh, here we go. So I'm not entirely sure why this is the case. So again, I might just give it a nice little reboot. and it's not at all playing nicely. And this, the initial thing with this was that it was actually playing, like, not playing video or anything, but it was actually playing nicely enough. Things seem to have taken a turn for the worse. Nothing seems to be working. So that's called Big Buck Bunny. So I guess I will remember that. I'm just going to go to the command line now and try and see if I can get something going here. No. Alright. There we go. Oh. Right. Right, I told domain number 5 to reboot. That's not seeming to work. Not seeming to work at all. Let me have a look. Oh, reboot. Oh. This is terrible. Right. So that was a pitter. And seems I cannot escape the virtual machine. I'm going to shut this thing down now. Let's have a look and make sure that I'm still recording here and all that. But yeah, so you can see this is a bit of a mixed bag. I'm going to give it one more time, see how we go. This is not going to be edited in much way of form. Probably take the end and the start of the video off, but anyway, let's open that up again. Again, it seems that Steam is playing absolute silly buggers with this, so I think it's Steam anyway. So we'll just have a look, see if we can at least get that Big Buck Bunny video. Let's have a look. Big Buck Bunny. Download. Or is it indeed Firefox that's causing it to freeze up? It might not even be Steam. As I say, I'm not really sure. Let's see. Well, I suppose we should probably just go through the video, the application. So you got a magnifier, screen magnifier. Yeah, fine. Well, I guess we'll just get rid of it like that. again, I find myself, I'll just again, I just reset the domain. But as you can tell, things are not exactly looking good here. I might try, I might just try ReactOS Explorer. Wonder if I can use it to actually surf the web at all. We'll just try anyway, see if it's internet aware. No, it doesn't seem that it would be. Okay, so wine gecko, no, that's we can just probably install this old version of it. Just install that. That's basically how you install an application, pointy clicky way of doing it. So, I mean, they're clearly trying to get something, going with this. It was under 100 meg to download it. The install was like nothing. It was just so quick. But there are clearly issues, compatibility issues with KVM. So I think what I should try and do is run it at least under VirtualBox. See if I can have any joy there. It shouldn't take too much longer to install Firefox, and then I'm probably going to cut it short at that point, just simply because I'm finding it pretty hard to get things to stay working here. As I said, I had a blue screen of death before. You've seen I've got numerous dramas, but again, this could be a compatibility with KVM issue. So we'll have to give it the benefit of the doubt, and we'll follow up with another video on it running under VirtualBox. But go and have a look at the ReactOS website, download it, have a look. I mean, it's under 100 meg. It's not going to cost you any time really to do that. And we'll install that. Launch it now. Great. So we've got the old Firefox going on. We'll just see if this goes. Big buck bunny. Well, and that's frozen as well. Let me see if I can get the task manager to come up. Yeah, I'll kill that. We'll end that task. Now things no, it's slowing down again. So I think that's pretty much a big fat fail on this one, under KVM at least. I'm going to leave this video here. I'm going to leave your opinion to it, I guess. But yeah, to me it's a bit of a fail. Again, it's under KVM, so who knows, I'll follow up soon. Anyway guys, sorry to drag you through the mud on this one, but I thought it'd be worth trying. But I'll at least post it up and show you what my experience was. Have a good night guys. See ya.